Welcome back to another video. Today we got a recall for a product. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more 2 reviews, 2 deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. As we can see here, it says important safety notice. So this is pretty much what they're telling you is that you need to look at this as soon as possible, and if you have the product, you got to take it back. Your safety is our priority. We are reaching out to you because our records show you that you purchased a Gordon brand folding knife from Harbor Freight Tools between July 2008 and July 2019. Please stop using this knives immediately. Return them to Harbor Freight Tools for gift card refund. If you have already returned your folding knife gift card refund, no further action is required. If you have not yet returned your folding knife with the gift card refund, please do so as soon as possible. It says below is the official recall notice that the Harbor Freight Tools issued in cooperation with the United States Consumer Product Safety Commission. It says important safety notice, October 4, 2019. It says, dear valued customer, this letter is sent to is to notify you of a product recall. Pretty much, it's the Gordon folding knife, product number 97668, sold by Harbor Freight. There's a picture down below, as it says right there. It's about $5. Let's see here. Recall is being conducted because Harbor Freight Tools has learned that the locking mechanism in the knife is failed to engage or on extension of the blade, creating laceration hazard. Immediately stop using this item even if there is no apparent problem. Return the knife to your nearest Harbor Freight Tools for a store gift card. Says if you have any questions, feel free to call. Okay. So pretty much this is the knife that is the knife right there. Me personally, I do have this knife. I don't think there's nothing wrong with it, but you know, apparently there's people out there having problems with this type of knife, maybe stabbing themselves or something. So I'll keep an eye out, so maybe we can get some further information of what's wrong with these. According to this, the locking pin or the locking part of this doesn't really work, doesn't really hold. It might accidentally maybe release it. So that's according to this, that's what I understand. If you guys know any specifics on this product or what's going on with this product, or if something happened to you with this product, please let me know in the comment section down below. I'll see if maybe Harbor Freight will listen to you. If not, then if you do have this product, make sure you return it. Anyways, just thought I made this short video. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more 2 reviews, 2 deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.